welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite drinks, healthy recipe. Today I'm making a simple fat cutter drink which you can use at home, in your kitchen, and for your purpose. Anyway, fat cutter drink is all about lemon, ginger, honey, and aloe vera, which is really good for you. Mix all of those ingredients together. Drink it 3 times a day, one in the morning before breakfast, one at noon, and one in the evening before bed. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe coming your way. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. See you next time. Bye bye. To a Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a fat cutter drink. Really good for you. A lot of people have been asking for healthy recipe, how to lose weight, how to be healthy. This is where it come in really handy. So basically what you need to do, make sure you got some aloe vera. So what I did earlier, basically I just removed the skin from the aloe vera, and this is how it look. A nice piece of aloe vera. So what I'm gonna do is put the aloe vera inside of my smoothie blender, and I'm gonna blend this for roughly 2 seconds on my blender, just to get the liquid. Nice one. Now I get the liquid from it, and then basically I'm gonna show you how to make the drink. First of all, I have a little piece of ginger. Make sure you get some ginger. Remove the skin from the ginger by peeling it using a small knife, and remove the skin from the ginger. Ginger is really good for you. Ginger is good for your mind, your body, and it's healthy on your soul also. Basically, I'm gonna use this part of the grater to grate the ginger. So I just want So basically, all I need is a teaspoon of ginger, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my glass right there. So that's the ginger right there. Basically, I have 1 teaspoon of honey. Straight inside of it like that, and I'm just gonna get the aloe vera which I just blended. I'm just gonna put roughly about 2 tablespoons, and then I have some lukewarm water. And then I'm gonna put a few slices of lemon. I love my lemon. I'm always using lemon in my kitchen. And that's it right here. So basically the drink is all about a fat cutter drink. Basically aloe vera is good for you, and also lemon, ginger and honey is always good for you, and it's a natural drink. You can drink this 3 times of the day, One in the morning before breakfast, and one at lunchtime, and one in the evening before you go to bed. If not, you can make a big jug like this right here, full it, and have it in your fridge and drink it during the day if you like to do that. So guys, enjoy the recipes, just some ideas and tips which a lot of my fans have been asking for, how to be healthy and get a lot of benefit from different stuff like ginger, even, you know what I mean, lemon, honey, and also aloe vera, which is really good for you. Aloe vera, a lot of people use it to make juice. I have piece more, which I'm going to make a drink with it for you, the fans. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more stuff coming out for you guys, and hopefully these will be a benefit for you. Aloe vera with honey and ginger, lemon, and this one is fat cut to drink. Enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.